Hello and welcome. My name is Tony Amos. I'm from suppliersonline.com.au and thank you for welcoming me into your day. This tutorial is about the do-it-yourself online marketing system for our suppliers, specifically the About tab. And what this is your company description. And I've already got a description there. I'm just going to delete it all so that you can see how I'm going to use it. So just bear with me for a minute. So here you can see I have a clean slate ready to write a company description for my company. It's fictional, Spruced Up Cleaning, based in the Melbourne area. So what I recommend that you do is have a look at our ebook, and the link there is down there. And when you go into the link, you'll have a direct link to our ebook. And then right towards the end, on about page 55, you'll see an attachment called Sales Copy Guidelines. Right words, the right play, the right place equals sales. And there's quite a few good tips here to improve your sales copy. And obviously sales copy is all about attracting the attention of your target customers. There is a checklist here on page 55. So you might want to print that particular page out because it gives you some more tips about the sort of thing that I'm talking about now. But the purpose of this video is specifically to show you technically how to get the best out of your do-it-yourself online marketing system, specifically about this About tab only. So here we go. What I'm going to do is, instead of typing something from scratch, I actually have something in a Word document I want to copy and paste. Notice the font. I copy it across, Control Copy, using Control C as a shortcut. Go back to the link, and here it says Control C to copy, Control V to paste. So I click Control V, and straight away it's copied it in the font that's consistent with the rest of your profile. So I always leave it in that font. So according to the guidelines in the ebook, it's really great to use headings. So I'm actually going to use that. So our company services, I'm not recommending this as a heading, I'm just showing you technically how it works. And then you can use the menu up here to format your text and your style. So our company services, I'm actually going to put it in bold using this menu here. And then I'm going to change the font size to 24 because it's a heading. And I'm also going to put the headings in my company colours, which is green. And I'm going to put another heading in here to break up the paragraph. Our products. Really bad headings, by the way, but it's just so that you can see how it all works. Our products, bold, font size 24, and I'm going to change the colour to green. So I'm going to click Save now because I've already got quite a lot of work done there, just to make sure I don't lose it. Click back to the About tab, and that is all saved. You can also do things like align center. Align center. It works like a Word document. It's very user-friendly. If you know how to manipulate text in a Word document, you'll be able to use this really easily. So I click Save and Continue. Because what I want to do now is have a look and see what that looks like to the customer. So I click View Public Profile. Really important to click Save and Continue, because if you click View Public Profile before Save and Continue, you're going to lose your work. So let's have a look at that. And if we look at here we go, there's our company description, our company services and our products. Now I'm just having a quick glance at that, and it looks like this is quite wordy down here. I think you're going to lose lots of customers. They'll just get lost in that detail. So what I would do, for example, is to include that detail in a product description or a service description. For example, our market specialist silver and gold suppliers can list products. So that might be something you include in a product. You just basically refer to it in your description. Your description should be like a brochure to attract attention. If you're a free supplier and you don't have access to things like product descriptions or photo albums, probably best to include it here in your profile, but try and make it a little bit more readable. Like just looking at that, if you don't know anything about cleaning, my eyes are starting to glaze over. So when you're in the know, it's a little bit easier to read, but just remember technical information. can be off-putting for customers, even though it's quite a positive message. So I'm going back to edit my profile, and that allows me to fix that up. Go back to the About tab. So for instance, because I'm a gold supplier, I do have products. Please see our product, whatever, and then that talks about what I'm talking about there. And then you can use links. So for instance, you might want to link that to a website or something online, and that's where you enter the link. So it's giving you a lot of power. If you need a little bit of help there, just give us a call and we're happy to help you with that. And then the other thing that's quite important to do is to tailor your description to the market that you're advertising to. So in the case of Spruced Up Cleaning, this profile, as you can see, they're targeting the corporate area, corporate suppliers. So I'm going to go back to the About tab, and what I would do is I'd say, and we have been conducting cleaning services for corporate businesses in Melbourne for X number of years or whatever. So that lets you tailor for the corporate market. In the case of Spruced Up Cleaning, they actually are a gold supplier, and they don't actually, they advertising more than the corporate market. If you have a look here, sub-accounts, they actually also advertise to car dealers and to clubs. So I'm not going to tailor it just yet to the corporate market because I want to copy and paste this. I don't just want to copy and paste the text. I also want to copy and paste all the formatting work that I've done. So once I'm happy with it, then click this here, which is called the code view. If I click it, it looks like that. But as you can see, there's things like font sizes and text sizes and so forth. If I click it back again, it goes back to the normal view, which is what they call WYSIWYG. You see what you get view. I'm going to go back into the code view because I actually want to pick up all the formatting. So I click on code view, and then I take my mouse right to the beginning. Make sure you pick up everything right from the beginning. Go right to the end. Make sure you pick up all the way to the end. And again, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. So it's Control C to copy. Now I want to copy all this text and formatting over to my other account, which is for car dealers. So and again, this is just for silver and gold suppliers who advertise to more than one market. So click on View Sub-Accounts. And as you can see, I've already set up accounts for car dealers. So I log into that sub-account. I click on the About tab, and if I Control V now, I'm not in the source code. So what you're copying across is all that code, and you don't want to do that. You need to go back into the code view, like that. Get rid of that, and then click Control V, and there it is. And then all you need to do is click on the code view again, so it goes back to normal, and there it is, and click Save and Continue. So what you've just done is you've quickly written a company description for corporates and for car dealers, copying across all that formatting, and you're also keeping it consistent. What I would do now is, because this is for car dealers and because I'm offering specifically, as you can see from the photo, car detailing, I will then say our services to car dealers. Rule number 1, don't make grammar or spelling mistakes, but this is just for the benefit of the tutorial. And then talk about, because this is for car dealers, specifically for car dealers, your text would be about car detailing. So that's just demonstrating to you how easy it is to tailor all of your information, particularly your company description, to that market. And then once a car dealer picks up on that information, it's really going to appeal to them because it's all about what they want. It's not what a club's looking for, it's not what a hotel's looking for, it's not what a school's looking for. It's a kind of information that's going to attract the attention of a car dealer. All right, well, this video has gone for 10 minutes now. I think that's enough. Thank you for listening. And I always say, don't forget to log out of your profile in case your computer is accessible to other people. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.